everyone, welcome to my channel. This side Priyanka. I will show you a makeup which is a very handy one for all of you. I will show it to you. It's a very easy one. You can try it out. No need to use so much of brushes. आज जो मैंने मेकअप किया एक ही ब्रश यूज किया फॉर द आई मेकअप, ओके, और कुछ भी नहीं. अगर किसी के पास ऐसा कुछ है कि मेरे पास ब्रश नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, प्रियंका मैं कैसे यूज करूँ, इतना सारा ब्रशेस का कलेक्शन मेरे पास नहीं है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, this is for you guys, okay? So please check this out and let me know how you are all, whether you are liking it or not, okay? So let's start. So I have already applied toner as well as moisturizer. For toner I have used the Thayer's Hazel one, and for moisturizer I have used the Equate one, okay? So after that what I'm just using primer. That is, I will give you all this products in my description box, okay? So this is the makeup. This is the Prep Me Up for Nykaa. That is the, basically it's a primer one I'm using, okay? This is the primer which I'm using, which is quite common, okay? So generally when we will be going outside, I would advise you to apply it on your neck as well as on the throat part, okay? But here I'm not using it, okay? So the very next thing what I will be doing, I will be using the orange corrector one, okay? The very next thing. So I am using here the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange corrector, okay? So this corrector basically help to reduce your spots, okay? It's about to finish. I am having a little bit of dark circles, my under eyes part, so as well as the pimple spot, okay? So please don't be afraid. So you can use brush as well as the sponge. So here I'm using the sponge, which is the Real Technique one. So you need to wet the sponge, then you need to use it, okay? So आप लोग को समझ में कैसे आएगा कि ये स्पंज है, ओरिजिनल है या रियल है? आपको मतलब मार्केट में बहुत सारा चाइनीज ये स्पंज मिलेगा. सो the very basic thing that you will be able to understand whether the sponge is a real sponge or not is whenever you will going to, जब भी आप इसको थोड़ा वेट करोगे ना पानी में, ठीक है, तब क्या होगा, इसका साइज इतना सा रहता है तो वो एक्सपैंड हो जाता है. So that means it's a real one. If the sponge is expanding, that means it's a real one. If it's not expanding, that means it's not a real one. Because my first sponge which I've used it, that was एकदम से मतलब वो ठीक नहीं था. तो जो स्पंज मैंने यूज किया था, तो लेटर ऑन आई थोड़ा मार्केट घूम घूम कर मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस मिला है कि विच इज द रियल वन एक्चुअली, ठीक है. सो द वेरी नेक्स्ट थिंग आई विल बी यूजिंग आफ्टर दिस माई Wet n Wild. That is the Milagro one. This is the strobing cream, okay? So strobing cream, generally if you have seen my earlier video, you will be able to find it. Like I am applying the strobing cream after using foundation one, okay? But here today I will be using it before foundation one, because the thing is it will going to give you a natural glow also at the same point of time, okay? So I need to remove my nose pin. Actually every day I forgot. So again I will be doing the same thing. The sponge I will be using. If you people are comfortable to use the brush, you can use brush, but generally I am much more comfortable in using sponge, so that's the reason I'm using sponge, okay? See how it looks like. You will going to give a natural glow, okay? Okay, in spite of sponge you can use this kind of brush. See, this kind of brush you can use, okay? But as I've told it to you, I'm much more comfortable in using sponge, okay? So the very next thing what I will be doing, I will be using this one, that is foundation cum concealer. This is the Milani one. My shade is light beige 03, okay? So just I'm taking a little bit. See how much I'm taking, okay? So because थोड़ा सा और भी मैं यूज करूंगी आफ्टर माई आई मेकअप पार्ट, बिकॉज टू रिमूव ऑल द जो मतलब जो फॉल्स जो रहेगा उसको रिमूव करने के लिए आई विल बी यूजिंग दैट वन अगेन. ओके, सो ज्यादा मैं अभी यूज नहीं करूंगी, ठीक है. और जो मैंने बोला, मैंने आईब्रोज पहले कर लिया था. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन माई आईब्रोज पार्ट. ओके, सो the very next thing what I will be doing today, I won't be use the primer as well as concealer in my eyes. Why I'm telling it to you, because now I will going to apply the eyeshadow one. I will be using directly the eyeshadow one. Now the most important thing of this makeup is, today I will use only a single brush. I will show it to you how you can apply the eyeshadow with the fingers. Suppose if you don't having any kind of brush, because many of you ask me like, Priyanka, I don't have this much of brush, so what will I do? So this is basically for you guys, as I've told it to you. So without using brush, how you can use the the eyeshadow part, that is the most important thing here. So I'm using my CoverGirl palette. Okay, so I'm taking the shades, this one, the white one, okay, and the gray one I will be mixing, because this I will give a silver effect. Okay, so if you're having, suppose if you're having any kind of liquid liner part, actually la liquid eyeshadow part, you can use that one also. But as I'm not having that one, so I'm mixing up these two colors. So basically you need to know also at the same point of time how we will going to mix these two colors. Just see how I am dabbing this thing, nothing else. Just dab it with the help of your fingers. Just dab it pretty well. You need to dab it carefully. Okay, as this is basically a day makeup I am doing. Okay, अगर आपके घर में कोई पूजा है, कुछ भी है, जैसे मैंने बोला, it's for that. So I'm trying to give it a very light effect. Okay, I'm suffering from certain kind of swollen eyes actually. So then I'm using this kind of brush. See, this I bought it from Miniso, from Acropolis Mall, from Calcutta itself. Okay, so this kind of brush, this is an eyeshadow brush I'm using. Just see, as I've shown it to you, from outer corner to the inner corner. From outer corner to the inner corner. Brush, when you will going to hold the brush, there is a technique. You should hold it in this way, not in this way. This way. Okay, so just try to blend it softly. There is nothing to hurry about. See, very softly you need to blend. Then again I'm using the similar color. Here I will be doing the similar way. I will apply the same thing in my right eye also. Same by using the finger. See how I am doing it. So I think it's really convenient for those, as I've told it to you, those who are not having their too many brush in their palette. Or don't worry, I'm trying my best to give a tutorial on the brush itself, like what kind of brush you will going to use. It's at least if you have like 2-3 brushes in your palette, so you will be able to manage. So similarly, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, see. Okay, so the very next part, what I will be doing, I will be putting the kajal next. Here I'm using Faces Canada one. The jade black one I'm using. See how I'm using it. Okay. Next, I will be using the liner part. For that, which I'm using the Maybelline Colossal liner. Okay. So see how I'm using it. So just no, shades is not coming well. I will be using the Lakme one. The Lakme, it's the Lakme Absolute one. Okay. So this is a little bit of hooded eye I will be doing. See, this way. Nothing else. See, the half eye I have done. You won't be doing the full eye, only the half eye. Okay. So this is the thing. See, there it will look like. Now the same color which I have used on the upper lid. Okay. So I will be using the same color. Okay. In my lower lid also. Okay. So I'm using this one here. See how I am doing it. I will going to smudge this color, this black kajal with the green one. I'm not trying to give the full one, the half one I will going to give. इसका यही इफेक्ट आएगा, आधा लुक्स आएगा आपका. देखिए, पूरा मैं नहीं डालने वाली हूँ. See, half. Just blend it. Nothing else. Just blend it in this way. ठीक है? And what I will be doing, next step, थोड़ा सा मैं वाइट जो कलर है मेरा कॉर्नर में, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा, nothing else. See, this way. Okay. Then what I will going to do, I will be using the same brush and I will take a little bit of brown shade. This shades I'm using, okay. And I will be smudge the upper part. See, nothing else. Just the corner part. Just dab the extra part. Okay, just see. Not more than that. Just the corner part. See? Fine. So this is all about. So then I will going to do my mascara. Suppose if you're using any falsies or the permanent eyelashes, then obviously it will give a artificial effects. It will give a very good effect. But as I'm not using it, so I will be using my mascara. So here I'm using the Maybelline, the falsies one I'm using. So this mascara I'm using. Generally, if it's a morning one, I would suggest you to apply mascara only. And if you're using any false eyelashes, then it's fine. And if you're not using, if you're having any permanent eyelashes, generally it give for like 1 month or 1.5 month. It's in US, it's cost around $25 or something. Okay. So again I will be applying. So it's done. So again I will be applying the foundation part. Okay. You know, to dab it very well. Don't be restless while dabbing it. Because as this is a foundation come concealer, I won't be using concealer separately, frankly speaking. Some of you will find me like I'm using the back mirror actually. Because I have a broad mirror. So I generally feel comfortable to see that mirror. Okay. See. Okay, fine. So what I will be doing the very next thing, I will be applying this one, the compact one. Okay, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. My shade is 130 Buff Beige. Okay. I will put all the link in my description box. Because last video you all have requested me like, Priyanka, you please put it in your description box. So I will be doing it in this video. Just dab it. Or listen, if you're having any loose powder, so generally I prefer banana powder of Makeup Revolution. Okay, so today I'm not using that one, this one actually, that one I'm not using. I'm using this one, the Maybelline one, because as it is I'm preferring right now. I will show it to you how we will going to use the loose powder also, the technique I will going to show it to you. Okay, instead of compact. But personally, if you ask me, I prefer compact because it's give a natural looks. Okay, fine. So for the very next thing I will be doing, I will be using my Bobbi Brown palette. So this palette is basically the highlighter one. You can use it as an eyeshadow also. One thing I can suggest you, if you can buy a highlighter, you can use it as an eyeshadow also. Okay, there is no harm in using that one. Okay, and suppose if you're buying the eyeshadow one, you can use it as a highlighter also. So means whatever you wish to feel like, you can do it. You can go ahead and you can do it. Okay, so what I will be doing, I'm taking these shades. See, this a little bit of bronze shades, little bit. This is the concealer brush I'm using. Okay, so instead of using the concealer, I will be using these shades to conceal my nose part. So generally, if you have the double chin problem, just use it here. See how I am using this part. If you have a broad forehead, you can use. I don't have a broad forehead, so but still I'm using it. Just see. Instead of concealer here, I'm using the highlighter part. Just both the side of nose. Because you know, my nose are not, it's totally a blunt one. In Bengali, we call it bhocha nak. নয়তো ভোতা নাক এরকম আমরা বলে থাকি, we call it. Okay. So those who are Bengali who are watching my channel, they will be able to understand this one. When I was in my childhood periods, every time my mom used to say, like, your nose is not so good. Okay, fine. So the very next part, what I will be doing, I will be using the blusher here. I will be using, instead of blusher, I'm using the highlighter. That is, as it's a day makeup, I'm using a rosy pink blusher. It's from AOA Wonder. From that is from the Amuse one. I have taken it from the Stonebriar Mall here. So this is the thing. For this one, I'm using this brush, but generally I'm not supposed to use this brush, but I prefer to use this brush actually. I don't know why I'm so comfortable in using the brush. See how we will going to use the highlighter one. I will be using two color in highlighter. So you should see the shape. You need to follow this line. Okay. So this highlighter I'm using instead of blusher. Again, I will be using the same color on the nose. Just on the forehead a little bit, not much. Okay. Not much. Okay, fine. See the glow, how it's coming, how it looks like. Now the very next thing what I will be using is, I will be using my fan brush, and here I will be using these shades. This shades, the second shades I will be using. See this one, this shades I will be using from my Bobbi Brown palette. See, see how the glow is coming like. I think you are able to see the glow. Just remember one thing, whenever you're using a blusher, just little bit above the blusher, you need to use the highlighter. Always, okay? Because today I didn't use the blusher. Instead of that, I have used that pink one, the pink one as my highlighter one, the highlighter as my blusher one. So that's the reason I'm applying this. See how it comes like, how the glows comes like. Okay? So this is all about. So the very last thing what I will be doing, I will be using the lipstick, as it's I'm trying to give it a nude color. I'm using these shades. This shade is Maybelline 660 Touch of Spice. If Gargi, you are watching my video, then this is your lipstick actually, which you have gifted me before coming to US. I'm using this one. So thanks a lot. It's a lovely shade. Okay. See. One more thing I just like to tell you. I have already applied this one, means the Vaseline, or if you have any lip balm, you need to apply. So I have already applied it while starting my makeup. So don't apply lipstick, whatever brand you are using, what brand you're using, you should not avoid the lip balm as well as the Vaseline one. I would request you to apply it whenever you are applying lipstick. So last but not the least, this is the setting spray I would apply. I'm using, for setting spray, I'm using Wet n Wild. As I've shown it to you the last video, just lift your face like this, close your eyes, and from this direction you should use the setting spray. Just, this is the process, nothing else. I think my bangles is making some noise. So this is all about, okay. So the last but not the least, I'm applying my nose pin. Okay, if you don't have the makeup setting spray, there is no such issue, you can avoid it. But during the summer time, if it's a summer time, I would advise you to try to use the makeup setting spray, because in Calcutta, you know, it's very hot and humid. In south, like Chennai and all these areas, like in Mumbai also, the temperature is pretty humid. So it's best if you can use, in Texas also, the weather is not so, it's dry, but it's very hot actually. Like today also, today it's pretty cool, weather was pretty cool, but we are having a temperature like 39 till 39 degree. Okay, so you can understand there is no such difference actually. So this is all about. So setting spray, you can apply it or not, so that is completely depending on like what type of skin, if you means what type of quality of skin if you're having. Okay, if you're having the oily skin like me, if you're a pimple pro skin, and if you're prone to the sweating, then I would advise you like to use, you should use the setting spray, and if you're not, then you can avoid it, it's not an issue for you. So guys, this is the final look which I've got. Please let me know if you want to know. These two earrings, I have bought it from Calcutta. Again, my favorite earrings. If you want to show my collections, I will do a small video on the collections which I'm having, especially on the earrings as well as bangles. See, the bangles also I have bought. If you're from Calcutta, you know the Garihart market very well. So this is, you know, from the famous Garihart one. Then see, this one I have bought it from the new market. So अगर आप कैलकाटा से हो तो बहुत सारा शॉपिंग करो. पता है अभी लॉकडाउन का प्रोसेस चल रहा है. After that, when everything will become normal, you can do it. So that's all for today guys. So please let me know आपको कैसा लगा ये आज का मेकअप, ठीक है. So I want as much as like possible, and please guys subscribe to my channel. I'm seeing कि बहुत सारा viewers है जो मेरा चैनल व्यू करके चले जा रहे हो, बट कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रही हो, क्यों है ऐसा? Please guys, I'm waiting for the subscribers. Okay, so this is all about एक ting ting button है, red button, the ting ting button. Okay, so I want you to put the thumb on that one. Okay, that bell button one. So this all for today. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Love you all.